One of the best things about Matthew Construction is their level of opportunity. It's a very large company, yet family-owned. There's well over 2,000 people that work here, many different divisions, lots of different directions that a person could go.
Whether it's project management in the field, our labs, the technology with GPS and surveying, the opportunities here for a graduate entail a lot of different aspects.
We're trying to grow with times and evolve with the new generation of people that are definitely different than it was 20, 30 years ago. The company is all about change, and I think it's here, and we're going to evolve with it and try to help people grow in a new way and fashion. We're out there laying asphalt, shoveling asphalt, raking asphalt and rolling it, but really if you stand back and look at the huge picture that what this is providing to others is a day-to-day operation that nobody really thinks of. They got to work, they got to their favorite hobby or football game or basketball game, and they drove on an asphalt road. It really is more than that one shovel of asphalt.
From an environmental standpoint, we want to go out and meet with neighbors, educate them on what we're doing, why we're there. We want to leave that site in a better state than when we left it in. Cleaned up, reclaimed, and not doing things to harm the environment.
American Asphalt is connected to everybody in the public, and we really are paving the way to make a better future.